Ielts reading tips and tricks new. 1. Always read the questions first. Underline the keywords of the question. This will help you do focused reading. 2. There is no necessity of skimming. Directly do scanning keeping the keyword in mind. This will save time. 3. Split the passage in 2 or 3 parts as it is easy to locate the answers in the smaller reading passage than the long one. 4. Knowing the questions whose answers are in sequence can be helpful. True, false, answer short questions. McQs and fill in the blanks are such questions. 5. Any paragraph can be understood by using these parameters. Is it discussing advantages, disadvantages, problems, causes, effects, who did what or when something happened? 6. Generally first 2 lines or last line of the paragraph conveys the main idea. Remaining portion may talk about reasons, effects or examples. 7. In a pen and paper based test, check whether you have transferred the answers properly to the answer sheet or not. Thank you. www.onlineieltspreparation.com